Okay guys, what's up? I feel really weird doing this. I don't have a selfie stick, so I'm just kind of like using my hands. Basically, as you'll see on the title, I have a 2018 Lexus GS350, the F-Sport, so like basically just a GS350, but just a sport package. And I wanted the car to be a little bit louder. My dad has an Audi SQ5, and that thing's badass, and the exhaust it came with is sick and shit. So I want something a little bit like aggressive, because the problem with the GS350, honestly, it's like it's definitely a sporty car. It's cool, it's luxury, it's whatever, but like it's so quiet, and like it just kind of like, I don't know, it just kind of makes me upset, because like, I mean, you guys are probably watching this video because the same reason, but yeah, there's not a lot of options either. And I know, like, I was looking on YouTube all the time, and there was two guys. This one guy, King Matt, did a Borla like axle back, and then he ended up getting the resonators. It's like a TR252. I'll put the part in the description. And then this other guy, I think it's I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Shogun XZ, I think. I'll put both their channels in the description. But they he did a muffler delete and the resonators. So they both did the resonators. One just did a muffler delete, and the other one put on the axle back. And the axle back was like 800. And I mean, like, in my opinion, since like I'm probably not gonna have this car forever and it like doesn't really add any extra horsepower, I was like, I might as well just take off the mufflers, because like they sound pretty identical. I'm gonna have a few videos, or like clips I guess, to put up too, so you can hear it. I didn't get a video of me revving it before, because like I ended up having to do this before work, so I was kind of in a rush. So I just got like the cold start without the muffler and resonator, and then cold start without it. Yeah, but basically, I mean, I haven't done anything else with the car besides that. Oh, I got the windows tinted, so like, I mean, yeah, so that looks badass. But yeah, so yeah, I'll just play the clips for you. So